I think our game, when played well, and there's been some really good rugby just lately, it's an outstanding game, but it really does depend on the interpretation and the quality of the ref. The trouble is that sometimes when the ref might be a little bit pedantic, then the game can be really horrible. And we've got these extremes at the moment. But like the Super Rugby on the weekend, and I just watched some of that Bulls game and stuff. There's some really good rugby being played, and it just depends very, very much on the referees. And I think, to be fair, the referees, for what I've seen, especially in the Southern Hemisphere, have really started to adopt this, quicken the game up a bit.
Yeah, I must say, I enjoyed referees like Nigel Owens, Jonathan Kaplan, who almost let the game go. They let it flow. You knew you really had to fight to maybe get the turnover or whatever. And they loved playing advantage as well. So, I mean, those referees always make for the best games. But I mean, the referees do have, especially with set piece, such a big impact. I've seen so many times now, especially in the URC, with the South African scrum dominating. You get referees the moment they go forward, boom, advantage. That gives us opportunity to give our backs a go because it's a free go. Other referees reset or they say early scrum, it goes the other way or a free kick. So referees got a big role to play there.